morning folks, if you're around here, my name is James, how do you do? And welcome to today's daily vlog / weekend vlog. If you're wondering why I'm saying that, from today, this weekend only, I'll tell you dates now. It's Friday the 11th of September 2020 for the long, and for the short it is 11/09/2020. And the vlog number will be on the screen as well. I know I'm gone when I said it, but for the vlog number it will be going shortly. This is on the weekend vlog side. This week only, just a trial. I'm going to vlog during the weekend, as I'm going to do, but I will upload the vlogs. So for this one, this Friday's vlog will go up Saturday. For me it will be tomorrow. For you guys it will be today, on Saturday. And then film Saturday, upload it for Sunday, upload it for film Sunday, upload it for Monday, and then on James Eccles Transport and Vlogs, and for James and Grace Vlogs, aka the weekend vlog, will go up on Monday as normal. So basically, get you guys on James Eccles Transport Vlogs will see what I get up to during the weekend, if you're not bothered about going over to James and Grace Vlogs, and etc. So that's the plan for this weekend. So basically you guys on James Eccles Transport Vlogs will see the vlogs first before anyone from James and Grace Vlogs. So yeah. And it is 9:24. Stuff for me to do today is Stocksbridge. To see a Loco wants to be a road vehicle now. AK came off the tracks. 2, go to Manans. 3, come home and chill out and watch wrestling. Watch off TNA, aka Impact Wrestling, and come up. Try to get some edit some videos and upload them for November on James Eccles Transport and Vlogs. So yeah. So suppose I get on, I'll probably see you when I get up to Stocksbridge, because I'm going to get the bus. And Sam will be coming. I don't know about Morgan, and Henry is not coming up, I don't think. So on that, I'll speak to you a bit later on. We'll go to Stocksbridge. And they knew a bridge. If I get a 57. Well, probably when I'm on my way back from Middlewood Bridge. On that being said, I'll see you in a sec. See you up at Stocksbridge. Okay folks, we are currently up at Stocksbridge looking for a train what decides to want to be a road vehicle. Up here, but wagon is not here. What should have rung up yesterday or last night or yesterday were them just parked up that end. Can't actually show you because there's a fencing way, a big fencing way. So let me just quick show you. Over there. You can't actually see it over there, but you can see here, along here. But if you can see, I'll try to zoom in over here. This is all new path. Just see some wagons, but they might have came up last night or waiting to go for next time. Hold on. Bring local up here and so on, but I don't know. The train with the wagons what rung up last night would have been parked here. Let me show you. On these first sort of tracks here, not the second. I don't know. So yeah. Well, I'll check that crossing. There's nothing. I don't know. Oh well. It might be up at Old Deepcar Station, or just before, because there's more points there. But I don't know. They don't hardly use them. But they use these ones just up here. Well, I'll check it out. Hold on.
That's round corner.
That's up Deepcar Station, just before.
It says Stocky round here.
Right, we've found out where it is. We're going to have a look now to see if we can get to it. So I'll speak to you in a bit. Right folks, we just found the 60 now. Try to find the way down to meet Henry. I don't think I will be filming around him because I don't know if he wants to be on the vlogs and etc. But I just found it of jumping up parking little old station that was parked or based up there, and then take it from there. I have took a picture, so I'm going to try and get another view of it a bit later on, and then try to show you on video on where it is. I'll speak to you in a second when we'll go back, but I'll speak to you later. Okay folks, we are now being with the Loco, but we'll take the other Loco will come off the tracks up at the junction or the loop from last night. I'll put a screen right here, I'll put a picture right here of a picture of what I got as well. This is where we used to go for the what? I'll catch you in a minute. It is now 12:11 PM. Was it AM? It's like 3 PM. So, as I was saying, we're coming up at Deepcar, or Stocksbridge, whichever you want to call it. Hopefully there was someone over there then, but it's not. But just over there, just in the distance over here where my finger is actually the Old Deepcar Station. And that's where this Stocksbridge steel train goes on. Up towards Stocksbridge, and when it used to be the old Woodhead line going up to on the Woodhead line up to Manchester from Sheffield, from Victoria. Or we connect from down there, comes up here, up that way. I'm getting crap on some branches. Up there, up to Manchester, Penistone, and up that way. What we call it, the old Woodhead line. And just down that way, let's try to turn around. Just that way is going towards I've been saying it all day, I forgot the name of it. Bailey Woods, that way, towards Smoker's side. And the Stocky still comes up this way and stops there until you get some instructions. And it goes on the bridge just across there where me and Sam went earlier. And yes, Sam is still here. You want to be on video?
No.
No, he says. He'll crack it. And Henry's gone up towards the branch as well. The loop where we went earlier, where you saw a picture what I took earlier. But anyways, I'm not too sure what they are doing at the moment. I don't know if they're taking
Really the wagons to put brakes on.
I mean afterwards.
After?
If it's we're going to take wagons down to Rotherham and keeping Loco up here for now.
You go back to Belmont after.
Or getting Loco, the 60 watts derailed, just jumped off the track with a Loco and 60 and the wagons, but I'm not too sure how they are going to do it. But we're going to be waiting up here. Let's do it this way, shall we? Up here and waiting for the train to come. Some of it is going to be on the video or on the vlogs, and it's going to be on a solo video as well as. So yeah, so I hope you're having a good day. I see I haven't been to my nan's yet, but after this, let's move back down to when it goes down towards Sheffield City Centre, towards Rotherham, Rotherham Steelyards, or walk, and then I'm going over to my nan's. So I'll probably be jumping on whichever bus turns up first, and then go from there. Probably spend about an hour there and come back, go back home. So yeah. So I will speak to you in a bit. I will leave you with Sam. I'll speak to you in a bit, guys.
Just how Saturday saying what it were.
Okay folks, just a little update. It's going after around 4 o'clock coming up to. Yes, almost 4 o'clock. It's just a little update. Went up to my nan's, up Church Street, we'll have to show you, but it's not far from here. And then we saw 2 tractors going up and down, and so I filmed one room. That might go on video as well, but I don't know. And don't forget, this is actually the weekend vlog as well. So yeah. So some will be going on this vlog, on the daily vlog, and some bits are going on the weekend vlog as well. Right now, just waiting for 57 to Hillsborough, and then getting the tram from Hillsborough to university to go to Sam's to help him to set something up, and then Bob's your uncle, and after that home for food probably. So yeah, so I'm not normally film here, etc., but I'll speak to you a bit later on when I finish at Sam's. Okay folks, it is now 9:25 at night now. Well, for the weekend vlog, next one will be at morning, but for you guys on James Eccles Transport Vlogs, it will be a new vlog from tomorrow. Basically like a daily vlogs. I can't get comfortable at the moment, thank you to summer. So yeah. So it's been a very good day today, and before I say any more, and before I even go to the next day, etc., for you guys, for the weekend vlogs, there will be good bits what I want to put in, and for the daily vlogs it will be a straight through vlog, but on the weekend vlog it will be cut down more, and etc. And all the clips what you will see on this on James Eccles Transport and Vlogs will be on, it will be different onto James and Grace Vlogs, to let you guys know. But I don't know what time the vlog this vlog will go up on James Eccles Transport and Vlogs. You probably know because you've already seen it. Yay! Anyways, today it's been a wonderful time having a tour, look around Stocksbridge, Deepcar area, and etc. I just messaged Grace a minute on. And etc. So what else have been happening? Well, after I went to Stocksbridge to see the derailed train, got a few pictures but not a good one, and you already seen roughly how bad it is if you watched a bit earlier on, and etc. But it won't be on a solo video, so you won't see it in November, December time, and going from there. So yeah, so what else? Gone up to my nan's, spent about an hour or so there, just wait until school kids come out, then got the supposed to be 4:50 I think. Yes, well, must be for 3:50. It's supposed to be about 4 o'clock. Towards Hillsborough, and then tram from Hillsborough. Back home. Well, I have done my travel. But I had tram 17 back. Not good. Yes. But Netherthorpe. Netherthorpe. To Middlewood. Straight through. But it was a yellow. And what man, and after went up to Manans, got bus into Hillsborough and got tram from Hillsborough to University of Sheffield for West End Hospitals, as it will say on I think tram trains. Walked over to Sam's flat, helped him to set up a game or a mod or add-on, what he's got, what doesn't work, so I thought my mum give us some instructions. Sam sent my mum a print screen of the link of what the instruction says. So yeah, what else? Helped him with that. Then we got the 6 summit from Netherthorpe back to Middlewood. And when he got back, went for tea, went to the shop around 7, just after 7. And then after my tea, came up. This is all from Roosters for tea. Came upstairs and let Sam go on train sim as I went on his train sim earlier on today. While he was sorting out one of his rooms. But yeah. What else? I'm hoping all this is going to be okay. What else? I think most of it will be it. Right, folks. Suppose I get on. And edit for you guys on James Eccles Transport Vlogs. You will see the vlog tomorrow, and I'll see you again tomorrow, and etc. But for you guys on James and Grace Vlogs, I'll see you on it morning. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. As you can see, I'll see you in the next clip.